Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Burnaboy, Wizkid, Buju, Benson kind of vibe. And without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW so I show you guys how to make such amazing Afro beats. Let's go. Alright, guys. So quickly, we're just gonna be making an Afro pop beat, or just an Afro groovy beats. Basically, I don't know what I want to make, but let's go into our DAW. And if you're a beginner, trust me, I'm gonna try as much as possible to simplify things so you get a proper understanding. I just want to make a nice, calm, chill vibe. So I have a tempo of 95, and I'm just gonna bring in analog lab. So I'm just gonna replace this sampler with analog lab 5, and there's this nice preset I like on this plugin. Yeah, City of the Lost, and I just love it, the way it sounds, and it sounds like this. Yeah, nice. It has this nice pad kind of vibe. So I'm just gonna change the key. So I'm gonna use the key of F sharp. I'm gonna play. Yeah, so just 3 chord progression sounding really nice. So we have something like this. Just gonna adjust this. So yeah, so yeah, so I love the way this is sounding. Just send it to my mixer, and what I'm just gonna do is just take out some of the some of the lows. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna increase the time a little bit. Yeah, so nice. So let's just make it into 4 bars, and I think I could just add some nice saxophone vibes to go along with this. So I'm just gonna go over to this pack where I have some nice trumpets. Yeah, so I think I like this vibe. I'm gonna change the key of this loop. Let's go to the key of E. And if this transpose is confusing you, just ask me in the comment. I'm just gonna try as much as possible to explain it. So I'm just gonna change it to the key of E. So yeah. Nice. So I have like a nice vibe that I like. So I can bring in SKY keys now and just play some nice chords just to go along with the melody. So you can see how easy it is to just create some nice sweet melodies. Yes. Yeah, just quantize it. This is a vibe, so I could start bringing in the drums. We'll start bringing in the drums. So I just have this. Yeah, So I think we have like, you know, a solid vibe, and you know, we can start bringing in more and more percussion. So I think I can add like a shaker. Just bring down the gain. So some yeah, so let's go. So I want it to slide down. Yeah. I want this to slide. Nice. So I love the whole vibe. Yeah, so let's just add some effect on that vocal. That's good. Yeah. 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 So CBT is this is a vibe. Hi-hats. Yeah, it's kind of like that. So guys, I think this is a vibe. This is a vibe. Just, you know, some nice chord progression with simple drums. So how you can easily just create a simple Afro beat bounce, man. Let me know what you guys think. But I think this is fire. Let's just listen from the top again, and you know, let's hear what it sounds like. Yep guys, so I hope you got something from this, so you can just easily make an Afro beat, you know, in no time. And if you're yet to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. All you just have to do is click on the link and you know, you'll be welcome with some amazing goodies. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video. Peace.